Hi, Jordan Hanna here with MarineMax Palm Beach Gardens, and I'm standing on a brand new 2024 Galeon 560 Fly. This boat is the latest and greatest design from Galeon. I'm really excited to show it to you. You'll see here you got a huge swim platform that you could put a tender on. This is hydraulic, so it'll drop down into the water, creating a beautiful stairway down in. Some of the newer models here, you'll notice that how they do this beautiful teak inlay on the swim platform. Just another beautiful design by Galeon. Off here you've got a fold down bench seat. You've got access to your crew quarter, which this boat has 2 beds, head, microwave, fridge, ready to go and very comfortable. Walking into the cockpit here, you'll notice you've got beautiful L-shaped seating. You got a ton of shade. And then this is really one of the great features on these Galeons that's gaining so much popularity. You've got the fold down sides, turning this into beach mode. So the press of a button, you've got the sides that fold down. You've got pop-in bar stools. You've got an extended bar here. I mean, you can just imagine anchored up in the Bahamas. Got somebody in there making you drinks, you're entertaining with friends. Just such a cool feature on this boat. It extends the beam. One of my favorite things on the Galeon models, especially this 560 Fly, is how easy it is to open it up. So you'll see here, you've got your cockpit door, accordions over to the side, and then you've got floor to ceiling windows that are sliding port and starboard. That really just open up the boat. So on the port side here, balcony folds down, and just another way that you can enjoy this boat. These backrests fold down, and then you got a table that flips over, just so a great way to have a cup of coffee in the morning and hang out, maybe have a meal with some friends. All right, walking into the galley here, you'll notice that you've got one level, so easy transition into the boat. We've got everything all opened up. You see you've got a fridge and freezer combo, sink, got a 5-burner stove top, microwave, convection oven, and the wood on this boat is a beautiful upgrade. This is the high gloss eucalyptus Nero, which just looks stunning in person. Moving forward here, you notice you got a ton of seating. Wraparound seating here. This table is power actuated and it can drop down. There's a filler cushion to turn this into a day bed. And with the press of a button, you've got a TV that pops up here. All right, walking up to the helm here, you'll see that this boat has 2 Raymarine Axiom screens flush mounted in the black acrylic dash. And it's just such a clean looking dash, very modern. You've got your autopilot. You've got bow and stern thruster here, so just gives you great maneuverability when you're in tight spaces or around the dock. And then one of my favorite features here is you've got access door that opens up. So whenever you're docking the boat, if you need to communicate with somebody that's grabbing your lines, or if you need to grab a spring line yourself, it's just really easy getting in and out of the boat. All right, walking down into the cabins here. First, we'll take a look at the VIP. All right, walking into the VIP here, you'll see just how much room is in here. You've got a ton of headroom, massive windows, port and starboard, hanging closets. You've got a bar stool that flips out here with a vanity, storage. And then let's check out here. You've got 2 twin beds that can slide together to turn into a full. And then again, just with the visibility and the natural light that comes in here. No room is sacrificing the views, that's for sure. You've got 2 head. So here's your day head. Incredible windows. Just the detail and the design with the sink, the cabinetry, and the shower is gorgeous. All right, and then walking into the master here, you'll see this is a full beam, beautiful layout to it. You've got a lot of storage, 2 hanging closets, massive windows. You've got a vanity here, which can also be used as a little breakfast nook. Having coffee in the morning, you need to get some work done on the laptop, but does turn into a vanity with storage. Got your flush mounted TV built in. Man, this is just it's a gorgeous space in here. Got washer dryer combo unit. And this is your private master head. All right, let's check out the Flybridge. So you'll notice this is a huge Flybridge for a 56-foot yacht. You see off the back end here, got a nice dance floor, but right now it comes with loungers that fill this area in, so you want to get some sun off the back of the boat. It's a great spot for it. Up here, you've got storage, you've got an ice maker, and then on your starboard side, you got the summer kitchen. So you've got a sink, freezer box, and then you've got your electric grill. So great spot to entertain, keep your drinks cold. You don't have to run downstairs if you're getting thirsty, if you need some more ice. And then this area here is very neat. Got a lot of seating, but you can close these tables, or open them rather, and you've got nice wraparound seating. It'd probably be a great spot to play cards or just have late night conversation with some friends at the dock. Up at the helm, you still have twin Ray Marine screens, all the same controls. You'll see this backrest here flips there to give you some more room. And then you get a great view of the bow of the boat. It's got loungers there and seating that really just transforms depending on how you're going to use it for the day. Again, this is MarineMax Palm Beach Gardens. I'm Jordan Hanna, and this is definitely a boat that you're going to want to see in person. So please feel free to give me a call on my cell, 561-427-9217. Thanks.